Hey everybody, Ken with Integrity Medical Courier Training here. One of the most important items that a medical courier should always have with them is a biohazard spill kit. If you're delivering lab specimens for hospitals, laboratories, blood banks, surgical centers, you should always have a spill kit with you. And in our training course, we actually strongly recommend that you keep that spill kit with you in the side pouch of your specimen cooler. So you've got it with you going in and out of the facility at all times. We recommend a spill kit by a company called SafeTech. It is item number 17121, and I think it has everything in it that you need to clean up a specimen spill. So let's imagine you're leaving a facility and for some reason you didn't bring your cooler with you, you didn't get your training from Integrity Medical, and this happens. All right, so that's an unacceptable situation. Again, our training reinforces the fact that you should always have a leak-proof, puncture-resistant, biohazard marked cooler with you so that doesn't happen. If something like that does happen, we're going to walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to safely use a spill kit. Let's get started. All right, so once you've got a spill situation, the instructions say that you should open up the spill kit and put on the surgical gloves provided. So that's what we're doing here. Safely, carefully, intentionally putting on the gloves that you need, and then you're setting out the items in the order you need them. You got the instructions in front of you. Now the next step, you're going to stage the biohazard bag, get that ready so you can put all the ingredients in it. So again, there is a process here that needs to be followed so that you don't expose yourself or other items or other surfaces to the blood that we're looking at here. So, all right, we're going to use, again, we're gloved up. We are now picking up some of the excess and putting it out of the way. And then you're going to grab the Red Z packet. That Red Z is an absorbent material that's going to actually turn that blood to gel. So let's go ahead and put the Red Z on it. By the way, if you're transporting tissue samples, the packet you actually need is called Green Z. It's a different chemical that will absorb the formaldehyde, but for this illustration, it is Red Z, and it turns it to gel. So meanwhile, while that's turning it to gel, you're going to grab your scoop and scraper, you'll break it apart, and you're literally going to scoop up that gelled material, and then you're going to put it in the large red biohazard bag. So we're going to get as much of that material scooped up as we can. Remember, that powder turns the blood to gel, makes it easier to deal with and easier to clean up. So let's go ahead and remove the remaining items, and we're going to put the scoop and the scraper and the powder remnants in the actual biohazard bag itself. So if you are leaving a facility and you drop a specimen on the sidewalk, for example, and you can't soak all of that up, we strongly recommend that you contact facilities management for that building. They may have disinfectants and neutralizers that they'd want to come out and clean it as well. One other thing to think about when you're using a spill kit, if you have to defer to the medical facility for their exposure control plan and cleanup, make sure you record the name of the patient and the clinic that it came from. That's important information that you'll need to have when filling out an incident report. Next, you are going to grab the germicidal solution and you're going to clean the spill site. Okay. That's called Sanazide. It's a germicidal solution, cleans the surface and just makes it safe. So again, you're going to take that out and you're going to scrub it to the spill site. Okay, and it just cleans up the whole site. And then you're going to put it in the biohazard bag. There is a paper towel that's available to clean that off as well. So we're going to dry everything out. Dry everything off, and then you're going to go ahead and safely, carefully take your gloves off and put them in the large red biohazard bag. There's great videos on the internet on how to safely take off gloves. You're going to go ahead and seal the red biohazard bag, and then you're going to deliver it to the lab where it is tested. Make sure you bring the remainder of the specimen with you as well. And then you're going to finally use the pause packet to disinfect your hands. Even though you've been wearing gloves, it's important that you use that leftover hand wipe to wipe off your hands. And then once you've wiped off your hands, you can throw that one away. So everybody, as a reminder, you can purchase these spill kits on our website at integritydelivers.com, and they're $18. That includes shipping and handling. But just remember to always have a spill kit with you in doing the deliveries, and remember to bring the remnants of the spill kit and the specimen bag to your lab client. Guys, going through the training at integritydelivers.com is going to equip you to understand how to safely handle and transport lab specimens, but heaven forbid that you should ever need to know how to use a spill kit. Now you've got some basic instruction on how to do that safely so that you don't get infected. This has been Integrity Medical Courier Training, showing you how to safely use a spill kit. Remember, go to our website, integritydelivers.com, to get your OSHA and HIPAA training and to learn more about all the different offerings that we have there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and share it with friends, you guys. We are here to instruct you how to safely serve your medical clients.